So this is the cemented silver that I have recovered after 24 hours. And we will rinse that up and clean that up in a little bit, and we'll start to process that. This is the silver that I recovered from the conversion with weak sulfuric acid and iron. I just poured it off, and I'll let some of it settle and go back, but I'm just going to treat this as dirty silver. Rinse it up. There's the pour off there of the cemented silver. Okay, we're going to go after some of the silver that was from the contacts. This is the silver I cemented when I split the batch. I started filtering off this. I decanted this from the solution, and then when I used some rinse water, it had a little bit of hydrochloric acid and it made silver chloride. So here I had to use iron and weak sulfuric acid to take care of the silver. So we're going to filter all that out to get the dirty silver and keep that separate from my clean silver. And so I'm going to come back with some gloves on, and we're going to knock this out tonight. So we're going to filter out the dirty silver first. Had to get the old rinse bottle here, and I started to filter out this dirty silver. We're going to work on the clean silver next. You know what, we're just going to pour it in here. So let's do a bird's eye view of what's going on. This is the dirty silver from the sulfuric acid and iron that we will run through a cell. And this was the cleaner silver, and this was from my copper cell slimes. I'm just going to combine these two here and pour some dirty shot and then add it to this to run through. It's about 330 something grams of shot here. So that's what we'll be adding to the silver cell. So we're going to go ahead and let that filter out tonight. This was the cleaner silver. This was the dirty silver from the iron and weak sulfuric acid. And this is the dirty cell, and I'm just running that through. That's some weak sulfuric acid. I'll probably put that in with my copper and iron bucket. And this right here will be reduced down to be reused to dissolve sterling silver. So we're going to decant that off and filter off that little bit of silver out of there. And then, like I said, reduce it down. We're going to reuse it. So we're shutting down for the night. Thanks.